Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Naipari Trio, and today I am going to provide you answer key for class 12 Karnataka Board Biology Examination. So let's start. Starting with part A, answer for first question is D. Answer for second question is B. Third question is A. Fourth question is A. Fifth question is C. Sixth question is D. Seventh question is C. Next, eighth question is B. Ninth question is C. Answer for 10th question is C. Next, 11th question is D. 12th question is A. 13th question is B. 14th question is C. 15th question is B. Next, answer for 16th question is colostrum. Next, answer for 17th question is 900 cc. Answer for 18th question is macrophages. Next, answer for 19th question is inoculum. At last, answer for 20th question is animals. I hope you found this video helpful. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye-bye.